How to plant lily flowers properly for beginners to flower diligently. Flower lily. Lily flower, known by the scientific name Lilium candidum L, is a type of flower that comes from the Mediterranean plains and West Asia. This lily flower has a tapered eyelids when it has not bloomed. The lily is also beautiful and fragrant during bloom. There are various varieties of lily flowers such as red, white, yellow, pink, yellow, orange, purple to almost black, and there are also shaped spots. Lilies contain flavonoid, carotenoids, sapio, polysaccharide, starch, calcium, protein and fat. With these ingredients, these lilies have various benefits. Following some benefits of lily flowers: helps to treat fever, anti-cancer, helps lower cholesterol, for wound drugs, and so forth. For that many people who cultivate these lilies. If you want to grow these lilies, here's how to plant more lily flowers. 1. Seed selection of lily tuber. Seeds. Selected lily tubers are seeds that do not have an outer layer of skin, because the seeds that still have the outer layer of skin will be very difficult to grow. 2. Lily flower planting process. Make a planting hole measuring about 10 cm to 15 cm with a spacing of about 15 cm to make plants easier to get sunlight. Before the seeds are planted, fertilize them first at the bottom of the planting hole that has been made using manure to help soil fertilization. Next, put the seeds of lily bulbs into the planting hole and then close the planting hole with soil or compost. After that, do enough watering until the soil is moist. 3. Mulch cleaning. The purpose of this mulch is to protect the roots of lilies from erratic weather. Use the right mulch. 4. Fertilizing lily flower. This fertilization should be done when the roots of lilies have begun to grow. However, the provision of fertilizer is not too much because the lily plants are quite strong and do not require much fertilizer. Give a fertilizer commonly used for tuber plants. Provision of fertilizer can be done after 1 month since initial fertilization. 5. Watering and pruning lily flowers. Do watering just enough, because the lily plants do not require much water. In addition to watering, care needs to be done to keep the lily plants flowering. Pruning 1/3 of the stems along with the flowers and allowing the remaining portions to keep growing and bringing the flowers back. So we are discussing about how to plant lily flowers correctly for beginners to flower diligently. Hopefully the video we serve can be useful for us all. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later and thank you for visiting our channel.